I did this video before and it was really confusing, so I wanted to do it over again. I'm drinking some water, excuse me. So, all right. This is a spreadsheet of my debt, and the math is incorrect, but I'm not too pressed about it because the balance is actually above, well, for the most part. Some of them are close, some of them are close, but for the most part, the balance on all of these cards are, well, the balance for all this debt is below what the spreadsheet actually says. And this is, it goes for 3 years, as you can see here. And yeah, so now is the fun part. I'm using the avalanche method, and now is the fun part because once one card is paid off, the minimum is going to be used for the next debt with the highest interest rate. And it's like, what's the word I'm looking for? I want to say avalanche, but it's just way faster, right? So right now, Victoria's Secret, so this is up to date. I just went through and fixed this. It's April. You know what I want to do? I do want to write in the balance. So the balance for TJ Maxx right now is $25.44. That's the balance. So, oh, you know what? No, that's okay. That's okay. I did it right. So we're gonna delete this, right? Because we don't need that. Because that's the balance. Now, $30 you're gonna put toward this, right? And now remember $25.44. Let me just put it here so I can show you where I got these two numbers from. So this is going to equal the minimum payment, the minimum from Victoria's Secret, right? Plus the minimum that's supposed to be for TJ Maxx minus the balance, which is $25.44. $25.44. It's $31.56, right? $31.56. Remember that. I'm gonna put the balance back in because this is the minimum. Well, this is the balance, not the minimum. But this is the rest that's left on the card. Now, Goodyear, it's $60.56. That is correct. The minimum is $29. So what you're doing is $29 plus $31.56, which is $60.56. So that's where I got that from. If that was like hard to follow, I'm sorry. Next time I'll try to break it down a little easier. But yeah, that's where we're at. So I don't want this to be a long video, but I do want to put the correct balance in there. I'm gonna do here. Comment or note? Note. All right, so Goodyear balance is, okay, wait, balance 413.23 is going to be 173.90. All right. So now this is done. I don't have to worry about this. Ew, I don't want to put it there. I should put it here. No, because the balance is going to go down anyway. Uh-oh. You hear that? The birds fighting out there. Let me see what it sounds like. Blue jay. None of that. Those are the little ones. Anyway, I'm back. Let's see. I could just imagine if I put mealworms out there, they'll probably see some bloodshed out there. All right, so what are we doing? How did I get all the way over here? All right, Victoria's Secret done. Target. Target is 168.84. Balance of Visa. Let me see. What's the Visa? 12,194.85. For the math on Visa is correct. So I think it has something to do with the interest rate. Well, it has to. I must have did that wrong, but that's right. I don't have to fix that. 707. This one is 704.97. So I'm not gonna touch that. And what is this? I have 86.51. I have 1573. So yeah, let's do that one. Balance as of 4/13/23. What do we do? $1,573.09. And then vehicle 6,500. Yeah, that's about the same. So I'm not changing that. So yeah, that's that. And let me see something. 173.90. I wonder if I put 173.90. You know what? Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna leave it like that. This, anything below the highlighted line, as far as the payment, is wrong. I'll have to fix that. But I just wait till May to fix it. I don't need to fix it right now. What did I say this was? 168.84. 168.84. Oh, I need to bring that down a little bit more. But that's okay. And I'm not. What about this one? 157.309. Oh no! Look. $1,573. Yeah, this is fine. I can actually remove this. Delete note. Is this a note? I keep forgetting if it's a note or a comment. But yeah, so that's that. Let me take this highlight off. Well, actually, this is already done. I forget all of that, so I can hit my check mark and then check this because that's been done. And let's see. Reset? No. Oh, sorry. Okay. I gotta stop doing that highlighting because now, look, now I gotta color it. That's okay. I don't remember what color I had. Fill color. What is this? This is the third one. Alright, so now May. I don't need the whole thing. sometimes I do the whole thing and you see where it's like over here, it goes so far. I don't need all of that. So just highlight that. And you know what? Let me just do that now. Might as well calculate it out. Simple. So this is done. Ooh. And Victoria's Secret's done. DJX is done. Now, oh, I did say when they're done, I'm gonna increase the, I'm gonna ask for an increase. Not that I'm gonna use it, but it just helps my credit score. All right, so Goodyear. Oh, is that it? Inquiry though? I think it's soft. I gotta look that up before I do that. All right, so 29, right? So let's do, this is gonna equal 30 plus 27 plus 29 86. All right. And then everything else should be the same. Let me see if the price is the same. I mean, the minimum is the same. That's how I check my math. 817.64. Yep. Oh, I didn't even show you guys. So look, 817.64. So that's how I know that the math is right. That was simple. Let's see now. June. I have to check because look, it says 34.63. So I'll have to check my statement and see what the balance is, because then that means I'm moving on to Target. Yeah, that's it. So that's it. I'm gonna exit out of here, and that's that.